I have the Samsung Galaxy A54, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to add your contact information to the lock screen so that if someone picks up your phone, maybe you forgot it somewhere or you lost it, if they pick up your phone, and obviously because they can't unlock, there is contact information on the lock screen. Now you can put in a phone number if you have another phone number, because most probably the phone number you normally use is inside this phone. So maybe you want an alternative phone number or an email address. Okay. So to add contact information to your lock screen, go to settings. On the main settings page, click on or tap on lock screen. And then under lock screen, tap on the lock screen editor. So tap on that, and that opens the lock screen editor, and you should see add contact information. So since I have information, it has my information. So let me just show you what it looks like. So it's going to look like this: add contact information. So if you tap on that, then you can enter that alternative phone number or email address where someone can reach you in case they come across your phone. So I'll just enter my email address and then tap on done. And now our email address is there. So tap on done in the top right corner to save that change. So as you can see, changes apply to lock screen. Now, if you go to the lock screen, it should have your contact information, and anyone who comes across your phone, lost somewhere or stolen or picked up somewhere, they can always contact you using the contact information on the lock screen. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. Good luck.